Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install PI Network on iPhone. PI Network is a digital cryptocurrency project that allows users to PI coins directly from their smartphones without draining battery or using heavy data. To start mining and participating in the PI Network ecosystem, you need first download and install the official PI Network app on your iPhone. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to download and install the PI Network step by step. So first you need to open to the App Store here, and once you go to your App Store, once you reach into this App Store, on the bottom you can see there's a search bar. Select to the search bar, type down PI Network and search for it. And over here you need to look for the official app named PI Network here. Select to the PI Network and make sure the developer is PI Community Company. And after that select to the Get, and simply you need to double click to install it. And you require Face ID, Touch ID or Apple password, and wait for the app to install. And after that you can open it, allow required permission like notifications, and that's how you can download and install the PI Network on your iPhone. You're now ready to create an account and start mining PI coins. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more crypto tutorials. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.